Hello everybody! Today we're making a dish with orzo. This dish has a little bit of an Eastern Mediterranean character and palette of flavors. So we're going to start with the carrots. You want to be able to see and feel the carrot in the final dish. So I'm cutting them into half moons basically. And I want to get the onion ready as well. And let's get started with our vegetables. Heating the pan. And I've also got my garlic here, which will be added to the vegetables as well. Let me add olive oil to the pan. We want to add onions and the carrots. One little secret when you're cooking vegetables and you want to get some color on them and you want to speed up that process a little bit, just add a little bit of salt, because that helps draw the moisture out of the vegetables. This is going to take about 7 or 8 minutes, maybe a little bit longer for us to get a little bit of color, especially on the onions. In the meantime, we just want to toast the pistachios lightly. You always want to toast any kind of nut in a dry skillet. I'm starting to get a little bit of kind of a nice color on the onions. And now we're going to add the garlic. And right at this point, we want to add half of the orzo. Push the vegetables to the side a little bit. And keep that moving in the pan. We're not looking for color on the nuts. We're really just looking to warm them up so that all of their beautiful aromatic oils are released. I turned off the nuts. Once the orzo gets a little bit of color, we're going to add hot water to this. You can also do this with hot broth. Okay, I think the orzo is starting to get a little bit of color. This is kind of a critical moment because you want to be careful not to burn it, so keep it moving. We want to add warm water to this, hot water to it. And as this absorbs the water, I'm adding just a little bit of saffron, Krokos Kozanis, as we say in Greek, and a little sea salt. Let's get some salt in the water for the pasta, the second half of the orzo. A little bit more liquid in there. If you wanted to get a little more flavor in here, you could also add some white wine. Let me just strain out the raisins. Even add a little bit of that raisin soaking liquid to just get a little bit of sweetness in here. So I just want to drain the pasta. So I want to add it to this as soon as this is almost cooked, and it looks like it is. Get the parsley finely chopped. Add the remaining orzo. And we want to get the raisins, the Corinthian currants in here, and these amazing pistachios. This looks pretty exotic for something made with everyday ingredients. Parsley in here. So this is my offering for today.